you're stuck. You're too fat to get up. Poor old Jeff's getting flicked in the ear. He's tired. Look at him. He's so tired. Look at him. He's so tired. So tired. He thinks about all his bills he's got to pay. He's got a very serious face. Look at him closely. Doesn't care, does it? You're going to try and squeeze in anyway.